Hi guys, let's make these soft and delicious donuts. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast, and half a cup of lukewarm milk. Whisk that together until the sugar and the yeast dissolve. Set aside and let the yeast bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. The yeast should look frothy on top. To that, add 2 tablespoons of macadamia oil and 1 egg and whisk that together. You can use any oil of your choice. Then add a quarter teaspoon of salt and whisk it in. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half at a time as you whisk it in. Mix that in until it forms a shaggy dough. Dust the surface with some flour and transfer the dough to the surface. Knead the dough for 5 to 8 minutes until it's fully kneaded. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer if you prefer to knead the dough. When the dough is fully kneaded, it should hold its shape and look smooth on top, and then it should be slightly tacky, and when you press it like I'm doing here, it should bounce back. If you press the dough and it doesn't bounce back, keep kneading a little longer. Grease the mixing bowl and the dough with some oil, and then cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 1 to 1.5 hours. After about 1 hour, the dough should have doubled in size. Punch the dough to remove the excess air and then transfer it to a dusted surface. Roll out the dough to form a circle. Don't mind the perfection of the circle. I'll be using this wine glass and a soda bottle top to make the donuts. However, once I used the bottle top to cut the middle, I realized that it was so big compared to the size of the donut, so I used another smaller bottle top. Transfer the donuts to a tray that is lined with baking paper. Roll out the remaining dough and continue forming the donuts. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'd really appreciate that. Repeat that process until you're done with all the dough. The final one can be a full donut without the donut hole. Don't waste any dough. Cover the donuts with a kitchen cloth and let them proof for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's go and cook the donuts. Add some oil to a cooking pot and let it heat up. Then add the donuts to the oil and do not lay them on each other. Let them sit individually on the oil. Cook the donuts for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side and then flip them. Once they are all cooked, remove them and put them to a bowl lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Repeat the same process until all the donuts are cooked. Be careful because the oil is hot and can easily burn you. Also watch the donuts as they cook. The hotter the oil is, the faster they'll cook. Make sure you're cooking them on low heat so that they don't cook on the outside before the inside cooks. Now we are done. Let's taste the donuts. The donuts are really soft and moist and they are super delicious. They can go well with any beverage of your choice. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye.